Hey guys, here is our next Father's Day craft. Now this one might be a great Father's Day card for somebody who likes to fish or being outdoors. It is a fish craft, so fun. So for this one you'll need paint. I used colored pencils to make waves, some glue, construction paper, and a piece of paper to be your card. To start our craft, we'll take our white card paper here, fold it in half, hamburger style, and give it a good crease. Now we won't use this for a minute, so we're gonna just set it aside. Next, we're gonna trace our fish. Now I have a fish stencil that I'm using already, but you can certainly just freehand it if you would like. So we'll trace out our fish. Make a mistake, that's okay, no worries. Parents, if your little one is trying to trace this fish all on their own, way to go, that's awesome. If they can't yet, that is a-okay too. You can always help them out with that. And then you'll get some scissors. Cut out your fish. It does not have to be perfect, especially cards from little kids. It is so cute when there are tiny little imperfections in it. Then you know that it's homemade. And there's your fish. Now here's my DIY tidbit. Use the opposite side of where you traced so you don't have all those tracing marks. All right, next with your fish, you're gonna pick a color to be the scales. Now you can see on this one, I have used my daughter Magnolia's fingerprints. She's actually napping right now, so we're not going to use her fingerprints for this one. We're just going to use my fingers for now. But if you are using a little one's fingers, I suggest having a baby wipe nearby or a wet paper towel to get the paint off of their fingers. So let's pick out our color. I think this fishy would look good with some red scales. And you don't have to stick with one color. You can do a rainbow fish if you would like. That was a good story. I liked that story growing up. And then we'll just take our fingers, stamp it in the paint, and give our fishy fingerprint scales. Ta-da! Okay, now that our fish has fingerprints on it, to make the scales, we can draw the eye and the mouth. So I've got a Sharpie, but if your child is doing this, maybe don't use a Sharpie, use a washable marker, or if they can use Sharpie, go for it. It's up to you, really. We're gonna draw our eye on our fish and our mouth. Cute fishy. All right, once our fishy is done, we're gonna take the card that we folded earlier, get our glue out. You can use a glue stick, washable school glue, whatever. I just happen to have Mod Podge, so that's what I'm using. And we're gonna spread a little bit of Mod Podge where we're gonna put our fish on the card. Just like that. And then put your fish on the card. Now where his fins and things are, you might want to add just a little extra to hold those down. We don't want them swimming off the page. And there's your fish. And just like the popsicle card that we had in the other YouTube video, this one is completely customizable. You can see on this one I put "To my fantastic Papa John." On this one we're just gonna put "Have a fantastic Father's Day." There we go, there's our saying. You can probably tell I really enjoy a good pun. Now we're gonna take our blue colored pencil. You can do paint, you can do marker, whatever you would like. And we're just gonna make some waves for our fishy to jump out of. And color those waves in. And there, now your fishy is jumping out of some waves. I hope you guys enjoyed our fish craft DIY, and I hope you guys have a wonderful Father's Day.